Bath Royale's family toilet seat is for elongated bowls only. It features a sturdy, telescoping lid that completely covers both seats. When the cover is lifted, the child seat remains down so it is ready for your eager toddler. For adults, the child seat can be lifted with the cover or the adult seat. Unlike other family seats, all three components of Bath Royale's family seat feature slow close: the adult seat, the child seat, and the cover. When potty training is over, the seat converts to a regular adult seat by removing the child seat inserts, and installing the decorative caps. Be sure to store the child seat and inserts for future use. All toilet bowls are either round or elongated. Bath Royale seats fit all major toilet brands. Be sure to measure your bowl from the center of the mounting holes to the top front of the bowl rim before ordering your seat. All Bath Royale toilet seats feature slow close, quick release for easy cleaning. Fit standard 5.5-inch mounting holes and non-standard hole spacings from 4.5 to 6.5 inches. Bath Royale seats are adjustable for a perfect fit. Bath Royale seats feature large footprint mounting bases with rubberized bottoms and solid stainless steel mounting hardware to keep your seat firmly in place.